guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little 99-cent only store haul. I've been seeing people haul lots of cute Valentine's Day stuff, and then yesterday It's a Deal here on YouTube posted these cute little like heart containers, but I didn't find any at my store, but I found other stuff. So I just picked up some foam mounting tape, which I always pick up when I'm there. Then they have these little bags. They're actually like a holographic with the little pink XOXO. And they're not that I work with like holographic all the time, but yeah, 10 pieces. Then I saw some of these stickers that everybody's been hauling. Super cute and dimensional and glittery and pastel colors. That's all I saw for the stickers. Oops. And then I got these little, what is this? Foam garland. It's these little hearts. I'm going to use these little, I'm going to cut the string off and then use the little foam hearts as like filler for packaging up like a Happy Meal and whatnot, and it's all tangled anyway. Then I picked up this ribbon. It says packed with love, and it's got little hearts in red, and I can always use this for like my family for Valentine's Day gifts, or for Happy Meal you get 3 yards. Then for the little boxes I picked up this one. It's the little conversation hearts in pink. And then I picked up this little box right here. It's magnetized. Right here, it's got red and then the pink and, ooh, greasy hands on there. Yeah, and it's got a little bow. I'll probably replace that bow, even though it's cute, but just to make it my own, you know? And then I got these little, don't mind those. I got these little baskets. I saw Christina post these in pink, but I ended up getting the teal ones. You get 2 for $1. They're shaped as a heart, but you can easily use these year round for sure. And that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.